Subscribe our channel Gorgeous You and hit the bell icon also so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Hi friends, welcome back. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to dye your hair black naturally with henna and indigo powder. Indigo powder is a natural dye which is very popular for coloring hair black. Many people know it as black henna, but it's not true. It gives a blue dye, but when used with natural henna powder, it gives a dark brown to shiny black color. Botanically, it is known as Indigo tinctoria. It is 100% natural. It is produced by grinding the leaves of indigo plant, which means that indigo powder is completely natural. With indigo powder, you can make your hair as dark as you want without using any chemicals. To get the jet black hair, apply it on henna colored hair. And if you want dark brown color, mix it with henna powder. Indigo powder has blue pigment in it and thus it itself does not work effectively on grey hair. It has to be applied either by mixing with pure henna or after applying henna. So let's see how to prepare this natural black dye. This process will be in 2 steps. Step 1 will be applying henna paste on hair. I would suggest to apply this paste on a clean shampooed hair. Take henna in a bowl, add juice of a lemon into it and also add black tea into it to make a smooth paste. Don't make it too runny. Apply this paste so that you cover each strand of your hair from root to the tip. Once you have done, wrap shower cap or plastic sheet around your head and keep it on for about 3 hours. By doing this, your hair will absorb the color of henna completely. Now wash your hair with plain water. No need to shampoo. Don't use any conditioner after henna. Don't put any oil also. And you can use hair dryer to dry your hair. Once your hair are dried, then follow the second step to apply indigo paste on henna dyed hair. Take about 100 grams of indigo powder. Quantity may vary according to the length of hair. Now add warm water into it. Mix it well. Don't make it too runny. Add 1 tablespoon of salt into it. This is very important as salt will act as a color developer. Mix well. Let it sit for 15 minutes and make sure this paste should be applied just after 15 minutes. Once applied, cover your head with the plastic wrap and leave it on for about 2 hours. This way the color will develop fast. After 2 hours, rinse your hair with water. Here this is very important. Do not use shampoo for at least 3 days after the application of indigo because its color would be washed out with the shampoo. Application of both pure henna as well as indigo powder mixture is really messy, but great results always let you forget the struggle you have put into applying them on your hair. Initially, you may not see exact black color, but after some hours of application or the next day, it will show its results. Still, if you feel it's not working or you're not happy with the results, then continue the same process for a few days in a row. Apply this henna paste and indigo paste once a week for few months. This will allow the color of natural ingredients to penetrate the strands of your hair. Proportions are very important to get the right color tone for your hair. They are for brown tones 50% henna and 50% of indigo powder, and make a paste with warm water and then apply. For dark brown tones 40% henna and 60% of indigo powder should be mixed just 20 minutes before application. Whereas you can soak henna overnight. For reddish brown tones, add 75% of henna and 25% of indigo powder. For black tones, use henna first and then indigo powder as a second step process. For red tones, use henna alone, or you can also add beetroot juice into it. So friends, I hope you will certainly try this remedy for a few weeks. I have personally tried this remedy. It gives a natural black color to the hair without giving any side effects. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and of course, share it with your friends and family. And I'll see you very soon with another such useful and interesting video. Till then, enjoy watching our channel. Bye.